Hey there, Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In the last video we looked at creating a new contact us page which we then added to our navigation. Now we are going to have a look at domains. So it's not necessary for you to go and buy a domain, but it looks more professional if you come up with your own store name and connect it to Shopify. You can, in the easiest way, buy directly from Shopify, which is what I recommend, or if you want to go out and get your own from somewhere else, I would highly suggest you look at Namecheap. You pay around $2.35 per month for a full year, which I think is a real bargain. So I suggest having a look at Shopify's domain, but if you want to go a bit cheaper, go outside, look at Namecheap, and then you can come back to Shopify and you click on this little button here that says enable redirection or connect an existing domain. They'll then take you through a walkthrough to show you how to make sure that your new domain points back to Shopify. It's not very complicated, but if you ever get stuck, please don't hesitate to ask. That's it for domains. Let's go back, and in the next section we're going to have a look at all the preferences and other settings within Shopify. So like I said, for the next video we're doing preferences. That's it for domains. Let's move on.